IT Training, University of Otago, on terms lists in Endnote X8. Terms lists are a way of making sure Endnote knows about the different variations in journal title, abbreviations and such like. You can load them into Endnote by going to the Tools menu, going to Define Terms Lists, selecting the Journals Terms Lists, and clicking Import List. There are lists by subject area available in the Endnote folder, the Endnote program folder, in the Terms folder, and one selects a subject area that you wish to load in. If you want to load in more than one subject area, just repeat the process of selecting another subject area. If you want to see what the terms lists look like, with journals still selected, cross over to Terms, and you can see the full name of the journal and the various abbreviations now available for Endnote to use. If you use Endnote on more than one machine, you should load in the terms list on each copy of Endnote you are using.